My dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ashraful Islam Show and my YouTube channel EngGram and more. Now I want to show you a video on how to make a dialogue on frequent road accidents in our country. I hope you will enjoy the video. Let's watch it. Hello, Jane. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm not well.
Why? What happened?
A friend of my brother died in a road accident yesterday.
That's terrible. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes, it is. I met his family. They became speechless in grief. I don't understand why so many road accidents occur in Bangladesh.
Mostly because of restless driving, lack of traffic controls, and violation of traffic rules. Besides, many streets don't even have traffic signals.
And I think many roads are not in good condition. Accidents also take place for that.
Yes, you are right.
Isn't there any way to reduce the accidents?
Yes, there is. Drivers should be properly trained. People should be made aware of the traffic rules. And the traffic police have to be strict with their job.
Well, see you later then.
I hope you would feel better soon. Goodbye.
Thanks. Goodbye.